Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Okay, today I'm going to be recreating Popeyes chicken sandwich. I've already got my chicken breast washed and dried. So now I'm going to mix up the egg and buttermilk mixture. Then I'm going to pour over it and let it sit and marinate a little bit while I get everything else together. Okay, I'm going to put 5 eggs in. Once I get the eggs in, I'll put the buttermilk in. I've got the 5 eggs in, so now I'm going to put in 1 cup, actually 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Okay, then I'm going to mix this up with my whisk. Okay, I have it all mixed up, so now I'm going to pour it over my chicken. And mix this up. These are some big chicken breasts, so get these mixed in good. I think I'm going to use my hands to try to mix it a little bit better because they are so big. And I want them all covered up. It's going to make it yummy. Alright, then I'm going to let these sit while I get the other stuff together. While that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and get the dried ingredients together. Now I'm going to make some that's spicy with some cayenne pepper and stuff in it, and I'll make some that's not because some people like it a little bit spicy, some don't, so I'm going to make some to where everybody will be happy. Okay, this makes 2 cups in this bowl. I'm going to put 2 cups in this one also, and that way both bowls will actually have 2 cups of flour. Okay, now I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of cornstarch to each. Let's do the spices. I'm going to put in a teaspoon pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Okay, put a tablespoon of garlic. Yeah, I love garlic, so I'm going to do a tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to do a teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to do a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. It will come out. Okay. And that's for the spicy. And I'm going to do a teaspoon of salt. Tablespoon of garlic. Teaspoon paprika, and I'm also going to do a teaspoon of close enough pepper. Okay. I've got my oil in my electric skillet, and I've got it up pretty high. I use a little bit over a container of oil. Let that heat up, and while that's heating up, I'm going to mix up all my dry ingredients. Alrighty. And I'm also, well, once I start cooking the chicken, I'm going to turn the oven on to about 425. I got some hamburger buns. They're Food Lion brand. I wanted some that was a little bit bigger and a little bit better brand, but that's all they had right now. So I'm going to take and put a little bit of butter and pop them in the oven just for a few minutes just to make them a little bit crispy, so make them good. But I'll do that in a little bit. The grease is all heated up, so now we're going to do it. I'm going to do the ones that's not spicy first. Oh yeah. It'll be good. I hope they are. Okay, I got the non-spicy ones. They're cooking. So I'm waiting for them to be able to turn. I'm going to make me up some spicy mayonnaise. I'm going to use mayonnaise, some cayenne pepper, and I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in it also. I don't know. I'm going to have to taste this as I go to see if it's spicy enough, because I've actually never made spicy mayonnaise before, so we're going to see. I think that's enough. Ah! Don't want that much. Let's try that. I don't want where I can't eat it. Try maybe a half a teaspoon of garlic. Mix it up. Maybe a little bit more. See if this makes it any. It was. I could taste a little bit the first time, but not. You have to basically just put a little bit, taste it, add a little bit more till you get it to the heat that you want it to be. That's tasty. That's good. Yeah. We're going to leave that like that. I'm going to cover it up, put it in the refrigerator so it'll be ready whenever everything else is. Okay, I'm going to see if these are ready. And they are. Flip these over. And it looked good. And it did smell good. So. It cooks over this side, and then I'll flip them again. A couple of these are ready. A couple were thicker, so make sure that they do reach 165 on the thermometer. Okay. I'm going to do spicy. All right. You know, the first batch smelled amazing. I know they're going to be good. Okay, spicy ones, I'm going to flip these. got the oven preheating to 425, and I got the hamburger buns. I'll put a little bit of butter on it and stick them in there just for maybe 4 minutes, and just let them get a little bit crispy. It's gonna be good. We put a little bit of butter on the buns, and I'm gonna stick them in the oven just maybe 4 minutes, and then they'll be ready. And by the time the last couple pieces of chicken will be ready, and it's gonna be time to grub. The last bit of the chicken is done. And boy, they look good. Try to keep the spicy away from the other. That way they don't, the ones that don't like spicy, don't get a hold of one. And there we go. Wait for the buns to get done, and we're ready to plate. The hamburger buns are done. Nice and toasty and soft. Oh, good. All right, now I'm gonna make me one to try. I got my Cajun mayonnaise that I made with some garlic in it. And the chicken. Oh, forgot, I got pickles. And we got pickles. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to taste it. Oh boy, that looks good. Hot. Ah. Very hot. It was so good. It is so juicy. And you can just see the juice. Just, oh my goodness. And the mayonnaise I made to go with it, perfect. With that being said, please give what I did a try. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.